For this video, QPAU sent over this awesome kids inflatable pool. This is perfect for summertime with your family. When you just want to relax on one of those summer days underneath that hot sun, this is a perfect spot to relax with your family. This pool was made out of a super durable PVC material, which is just really nice for in the summertime whenever your kids are jumping in and out of the pool. You know it's not going to pop. It's going to last you all season long. It's also so smooth and sleek, and it just looks absolutely amazing. I love the design of this pool. It's super spacious, and it has two really nice seats, one on each side, and they are larger. They have a nice backrest to them, and they're large enough for you to sit in as an adult, so you can go ahead and relax, lounge around with your kids while they're enjoying the pool, splashing around, having fun. It also has two cup holders here. It just makes it really convenient to have a specific spot for your drinks. Now this was really easy to inflate. You just have two separate chambers over on the side. You're gonna go ahead and inflate those chambers, and the only other two spots you have to inflate are the seats at the bottom. And they do have a really nice valve too that prevents the air from leaking out, so you can just fill these nice and easy. So overall, this is just a really nice inflatable pool. Like I said, I love the size of it. It's perfect for a family in the backyard. Spend some time together, enjoy those hot summer days. Let your kids splash around, but then you also have those seats here. So if you do have adults in the pool with you, you can relax nice and comfortably while your kids enjoy their time. So if you're looking for a really nice inflatable kids pool, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.